In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check top gainers and losers in CoinMarketCap. This process will allow you to keep up with the latest trends and movements in the cryptocurrency market, which is crucial for anyone involved in trading or investing in digital assets. So let's dive right in and guide you through the steps. First, we begin by heading over to CoinMarketCap. It's a widely trusted platform for crypto enthusiasts, boasting extensive data on various cryptocurrencies, their market caps, prices, and much more. Simply open your internet browser and type in coinmarketcap.com to get to the main page. Once there, you won't have any trouble finding the list of cryptocurrencies as it's clearly displayed on the homepage. After reaching CoinMarketCap, direct your attention to finding the gainers section. Typically, you'll find this feature prominently on the menu bar or in a drop-down at the top of the page. Clicking on it will lead you to a dedicated space that provides insights into which cryptocurrencies have gained the most value over specific timeframes. It's quite handy for picking out trends and identifying potential opportunities. Now, once you've clicked on the Gainers tab, you'll need to narrow down your selection to a specific time period. Look for the option labeled Last 7 days. This will adjust the data to reflect the cryptocurrencies that have had significant growth over the past week. Analyzing these trends over a weekly period can provide a broader perspective compared to daily fluctuations, offering insights into more sustainable growth patterns. In addition to checking out the 7-day performance, you can gain further clarity by examining the 24-hour percentage changes. This metric is valuable for observing which cryptocurrencies are currently gaining momentum. You'll typically find this option alongside the weekly performance metrics. Simply navigate to the percentage columns that are organized neatly in the table. By examining these percentage changes, you can gather insights into how well or poorly a cryptocurrency is performing within a short time frame. Finally, once you've selected both the 7-day and 24-hour metrics, make sure to scroll down to view the detailed results. Here, you will see a comprehensive list of cryptocurrencies showcasing their respective percentage gains or losses. This section gives you a fuller picture of the current crypto landscape. Monitoring these changes regularly is essential, especially if you aim to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. That's all there is to it. By utilizing CoinMarketCap's top gainers and losers feature, staying informed about market trends becomes much simpler. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, making it a habit to review this data can greatly enhance your investment strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you better navigate the crypto markets.